Folks, here I go again with something different. This is a 2014 Chevy Impala police pursuit vehicle with 109,000 miles. Original silver from factory. Former detective government vehicle. Folks, as you can see, the vehicle is in excellent running condition and shape. The paint is super sharp, very shiny. Very light minor scratches on this beauty. Whoever was assigned to this particular unit did an outstanding job taking care of it. Tinted windows from that department. It appears to be like a medium shade in the rear and light shade in the front, if any. That's what it looks like. Let me backtrack here real quick. Folks, just so you know, vehicle has been completely serviced and detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country to her new home. E85 okay for this particular unit. This is a limited edition Chevy Impala. It's specifically built for police government use. No holes on the body whatsoever. Super sharp, very shiny. Folks, if you're looking for a great car to get around town in, this is it. This is a once again police pursuit vehicle. It does have that 3.6 liter engine with all the heavy duty parts and coolers that this vehicle came with. They usually come with extra gadgets, equipment, and they are designed for police use only, so they get better attention from the factory. I do have clear lights and lenses in the front. It's specifically designed for police pursuit package. Those bumper covers, they do have some holes in it, but those are actually vent tubes going up to the air intake box. Let's go inside real quick and show you what we are working with. E85 okay, folks. I repeat, E85 okay. Folks, I do have a perfect interior. Matching interior. As you guys can see, all seat belts and buckles are in place. Carpeting floors, and yes, I do have 4 OEM floor mats from factory. Electric seating. Driver's side seat is in great shape. So is the passenger side. I don't think no one ever sat in the passenger side, but there it is. Let me clean this up here for you guys real quick. There we go. Perfect dash. No holes on it whatsoever. As you guys can see, the vehicle has been completely serviced. Honk does work. Let's fire her up. Pressure lights are off. I do have 109,000 miles. Everything does work in the vehicle. Okay. Super smooth and great running condition. I have been driving this one around and super quiet. She is a little fast on a 3.6. I was actually surprised. Now let me turn this off and go to the back for you guys real quick. Sorry about that, guys. My phone is ringing here real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and have to mute that. Sorry. Here we go. All right, here's the trunk. Folks, as you guys can see, I do have this chain here and this big old master lock here. This pretty much tells me that whoever was assigned to this particular vehicle was packing some serious heat in the trunk. One cut out right there, I don't know for what. Let me try to lift this up here real quick for you guys. I do have a donut spare tire floor jack pan right there. Alright folks, this can be removed or I can leave it alone, but I don't know the code for the lock. Okay, this means that usually when you find this in government vehicles, they are packing some serious heat in the trunk. Okay. Alright, we clean this up. Let me hurry it up for you guys. Let's go under the hood and show you what was done. Let me fire her up again so you can hear the hood. Yeah, the engine, correction. Sorry folks. Multitasking here, so I got a lot of ground to cover. New tires from the department. Goodyear Assurance 235 5517. Once again, new tires from the department. Folks, vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed. She is turnkey ready to go to her next home, and here she is. Very quiet, very smooth, and for a 3.6 engine, I was actually surprised. She does kick some serious butt on the road. Right to left, new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. Full synthetic 530 oil change with Dexos. Transmission was also serviced, AC Delco fluid and filter. I do have a new battery at my expense. All this stuff was my expense. Cabin filter was checked, looked good, so I left that alone. Brakes are about 80% all around from the department, so we don't need any brakes. Here she is. Heater does work as well, before I forget. Vehicle is in great running condition. One last final look here. Thank you, sir. No, we're good, we're good. I gotta promote Hyundai. Thanks, man.
Of course, man. No problem, man.
Sorry about that.
No, you good, man, bro. Do your thing, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it, sir. As you guys can see, everything does work. Folks, once again, this is a 2014 Chevy Impala police pursuit vehicle, 3.6 liter engine with 109,000 miles. She is good to go and she is road ready. If you got any questions, comments, please feel free to reach out to me. Call me, text me, and I'll be more than happy to talk to you. Sorry, this is it for me. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have a blessed weekend. Happy holidays to you and your family. I hope to see you soon. Thank you and take care.